Did you know that ancient civilizations in the Caucasus thrived because of underwater oases created by massive tectonic plates? Here's the mind-blowing science behind it. Deep beneath the Caucasus Mountains, colliding tectonic plates create powerful currents that push nutrient-rich waters toward the surface. These underwater upwellings form natural oases, supporting diverse marine ecosystems that ancient peoples relied upon for survival. Geoarchaeologists have discovered fascinating evidence of human settlements strategically positioned near these marine hotspots. Ancient communities adapted their fishing practices and trade routes based on these geological forces, leaving behind artifacts that tell the story of their remarkable environmental awareness. The same tectonic activity that shaped the dramatic Caucasus landscape also influenced ocean currents, creating a perfect storm of conditions that supported thriving civilizations for thousands of years. As plates continue to shift, these underwater oases evolve, maintaining their crucial role in the region's ecology. What other ancient civilizations might have flourished because of hidden underwater oases we haven't discovered yet?